Today, we're going to show you how to start a nitro engine on a plane. So first, you want to get fuel primed by covering the exhaust and then spinning the propeller to get fuel in there. So we want at least a little bit of fuel in the carb. Then, when it's primed, have the carb just a little bit open, not a lot. Also, when you start it, you're going to, this knob right here is for tuning the gas.
But I'm going to turn that back in because I turned it out.
So the more in it is, the less fuel it's going to get. So the more out it is, the more fuel it's going to get. You want it in like a perfect in between for it to run properly. So now, when it has fuel in the carb, you put the glow plug in, you wait for it, and now you can start it. So you do it the other way. It might sometimes be a bit difficult to start at first.
Yeah, I found my toy. And take
You'll see your own one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You don't.
No, why in the box thing? Here.
Do this. As simple. As simple as that.
Yeah, you done now.
And then that's how you turn on your nitro plane.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed, if you have any questions, just ask.
I want to fly.
Thank you.